Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. So today guys, I just want to take it a step higher just to show you what my apartment looks like, what an apartment, a shared apartment in Edmonton looks like. I'm doing this because I'm currently in search of another accommodation. I've been here since I landed in November last year. I actually intended to stay for 3 or 4 months, which my time is almost up, although I still have the opportunity to stay more, but because I want to move closer to work, so I've been in search of an accommodation. And before I take you to my accommodation search, I just want to show you what I have here currently, and just so that you would understand going forward what I have to share about my accommodation search in Edmonton, because it has not been easy. So guys, stick around. For starters, I live in a two-bed, two-bath apartment with a living room and an open kitchen style. That's the kitchen, the dining room is just attached to the living area. Then you have two bedroom and two bathroom, which I would say was a miracle. And so my flatmate, who rented the other room out to me, lives in the master's bedroom that is in suite. She has also like a walk-in closet sort of. Then for myself, I have a bedroom with a closet, then my own washroom that is not in the room but just close to the room. So guys, let us begin. Okay guys, welcome to my apartment. So first, when you enter, you see the living area and you see the open style kitchen. So this is the kitchen, the open style kitchen, and then you have the living room. When she came into this house, it was unfurnished. Most of the things she got, but the only thing that came with the house was the fridge, the refrigerator. You have the dishwasher, and she also had the gas cooker and the stove top, the microwave, and every other thing. She got herself the TV, the chairs, and the dining table. I love this house, but one thing that pisses me off is the fact that there is no light there in the living room area. Like, you just have to settle for this side lamp. I don't know, side stool lamp or whatever it's called. So most times I just have this idea of doing a very nice video sitting down on that couch, but I cannot because the lighting there is really bad. And then to the left, so here you have I'll call this like a cloakroom. We get to hang our jackets at the corner there, and then we have our in-house laundry, the washer and the dryer, and place to put stuff. Yeah, so this is what we have here. At the end of this video guys, I'll be telling you how much this apartment costs. Here you have the living room, and then to the left there you have like a passage, and then you have the rooms, the two rooms on the right hand side. The first one, the first door, which is mine, the second door, which is a master's bedroom, my flatmates, we should not be going in there. And the door on the left there, I have my washroom. So I just come out of my room and I dash into my washroom. Remember I said that my flatmate has her washroom and suite. Let's go. Where do I go to first? So I'll begin with my very simple bedroom. Here, just at the beginning of the door, you have the bedroom just on its own, and then I have my twin-sized bed. If you followed me from the very beginning, you will know that this bed was bought brand new. The bed and the frame was bought brand new by my church before I came in, so I'm not going to dwell on these. I have my twin-sized bed there. Then I have my closet here. The closet is just here and there because I've not done so many things in there. It's quite big, quite spacious, but I'm not going to open it for now. This is what the closet looks like. Yeah, It's quite spacious. Then on the side of the room, I have this table. This table, I got it not too long ago. It was given. I got it free of charge. So I actually didn't wanted to buy something off Facebook Marketplace, but again, because I don't have to stay here too long, I just decided to leave it off. And this table came free of charge. It's so strong, so solid, has drawers, and I so love it. Like, why bother myself when I'm just starting off and living a very modest life? So I have things there on the table, my happy birthday cards, you can see, and that frame I got as a gift. So this is what it looks like. This Yeah guys, so this is what the room looks like. Quite spacious, really spacious. Trust me, I'll tell you, spacious compared to what I've been seeing since I've been searching online for another apartment. This is what this bedroom looks like. I have so many things in mind to do with this place, but again, I told you that I will not be staying here for long, so I'll tell you why at the end of this video. So guys, next we have my washroom. This is my most favorite part of this house. Do you know why? I'll tell you, because when the winter was really wintering, let me use that word, this place used to be very warm, so I would come here and just sit on that rug there and I am good. I could stay there for a good 30 minutes or an hour, maybe taking calls or doing whatever I wanted to do. And that bathtub, like, I know how this bathtub has really helped me. Like, when my body is so tired from all the stress or whatever, guys, I just soak myself in a warm bath, put bath soap, light the candle, turn off the lights, and I can stay there for 30 minutes, 1 hour. This thing has been a lifesaver. So that is one of the conditions that I've been placing on myself in my house search. Quite spacious, really spacious. Let me just go back. Really spacious. So I have drawers to put things. I have the sink here. Yeah, this is me. I have the sink here. Have my where I do my business, my bath, and I also have this storage area where I just get to put maybe towels or some things I want to put. Basically, I just love this space. I love my bathroom space. I hope you get to see the full view. I just love the space, the fact that I can stay here and just have some me time when I really want to just be over myself. I could have one bath where I get to relieve stress. Oh my goodness. So guys, this is what my living space looks like. So far, how did I get this accommodation? I got it before I landed from my home country. I would say it was the grace of God, and I know that God's hand was in it because I prayed about it. And now that I've been in search of another living space, I really know what miracle or what good thing I had. Someone linked me up with my flatmates, and then that was how I got it. And the fact that it's a 2 bed, 2 bath, I have my own bathroom, and she has been good. We've been living quite good together. How much are we paying for this place for a 2 bedroom? You know, guys, I used to think that apartment is cheap in Edmonton. Yeah, it's cheap in Edmonton compared to Ontario, but I think with the influx of people, things are really going high. Accommodation is really going high. How much are we paying for this place? We're paying for the rent, it's 1,630, but we pay electricity monthly. It varies, sometimes 120, sometimes 100, sometimes 140. So I would say an average of 120 monthly. However, in January, when we had severe winter, like we had temperature as high as -40, -35, -45, when the bill came for January, it was about $280. and it wasn't good because some people had $400. So it seems like during winter, I don't want to say that they overestimate the bill, because that period we still were able to manage things like we would usually do. We did not increase our heater, and we got that bill for 280. But on an average monthly, we pay about 100, or one between 100 and 120 for electricity bill. It depends on usage. Another thing we pay for monthly, my flatmate actually does all these payments, because I just pay to her and she pays the people. Another thing she pays for, I think, is insurance, tenant insurance. That's one thing that is big here. You get to pay for that. That's about $30 dollars. Yeah, I think she pays $30. And what other thing, we pay our own internet. I think it's about 55 dollars. It also depends on the company that you subscribe to. So ours is $55. I know I've heard of someone paying $80. Maybe theirs come with TV, but we refused the TV. What other thing do we do? Yeah, so that's basically the sum of the rent for this apartment. 1630, the general rent fee. But the other utilities we pay ourselves. Water, we don't pay for water, so water comes with the rent. And what else do we pay for? We don't pay for snow clearing, we don't pay for refuse disposal. So for myself, being having a shared apartment, because she has the master's bedroom and all of that, so I pay 750 monthly. You just put it together, the total rent and how much I am paying off the total rent. I pay $750 for my share, for my own part of this apartment. That is what I'm paying, guys. Do you know why I said it's a miracle? Because I have my own washroom. You can see how big and spacious my washroom is. I don't know if I would call that a 4x4 washroom. And you see how spacious my bedroom is. I have my spacious closet. We have in-house laundry. Some houses I've been searching, I've been getting online. If I want my own washroom, after including all the utilities, I'm getting as high as 950. Yes, guys, for a shared apartment, that's what I'm currently getting. I don't think I've seen a shared apartment that came up with my own washroom, like almost as standard as this, that came up to 850. But for that one, we needed two extra tenants, and there was no way I could get two extra tenants. One person I knew that was interested backed out, so that was how I lost that apartment. Then others have been saying 950, 1000, and that's way off my budget. The ones that are within my budget, I'll have to share a washroom, and I want my own washroom. And another thing I'm kind of big on is having a bath, like what you saw in my bathroom, so that I can soak myself in it when it feels like the weight of commuting to work and the weight of working is on my shoulder. Guys, having the bathtub in a private washroom is not really a priority for me. Although I would really love that, but some houses I've seen they just have shower. The priority would even be having my own washroom. But of recent, I've just told myself that maybe I will just have to settle for sharing a washroom for the meantime, because of course, someone has goals, I have goals. So there are two reasons why I want to move out of this place. The first one would be, okay, before I landed, when myself and my now flatmate talked, she told me she was expecting her husband to come in to join her and her son, but it wasn't forthcoming. And she told me I had about 3-4 months to stay with her, and it was something that was okay for me. So I decided to go for it. Now it still hasn't. I don't think it's anywhere in sight. I'm still able to stay for about 3 months, 4 months, or even to the end of this year. But I just want to settle down in a place I know that would be in the long term, will give me long term. And also, this brings me to the second reason why I want to move so that I can move closer to work. Honestly, if my work was anywhere not so very far from here, I would have stayed back here because I love the space. But because of work, although I'm used to the daily commute, but it's kind of tells on me once in a while. I travel about 1 hour and 40 minutes. I've done this video like 2 or 3 times and I just keep stopping halfway, and by the time I go there I see that it was a record, just quickly round off. So I commute, I travel about 1 hour 45 minutes every day to and fro, to 1 hour 45 minutes, or sometimes you have delay to extend to 2 hours. Yeah, I know people would say, what's 1 hour 45 minutes? Someone asked me that, didn't you live in Lagos? Yeah, I catch the bus at 6:07. The truth be told, I think I'm getting used to the commute, but once in a while I just feel it's kind of tiring waking up 5 in the morning so I can meet up with the bus. Yeah, that's another major reason why I want to move away from where I am. One funny thing is that having a one room, one bath with your living room and your kitchen, that's you living alone, is way more it's kind of expensive than even a two-bedroom, two bath, or a two-bedroom, one bathroom. So now if you're looking for a one-bedroom, one bath, that way you're living in an apartment all by yourself, it's just one bedroom, one bath, it might be with bills inclusive, it might be going for 1,500. And the two-bedroom, two bath, with bills inclusive, will be going for 1,800, no, 1,900, there about 1,900, 1,950. And a two-bedroom, one bath is cheaper. That will be going for 1,000, maybe average of 1,000 to 1,250, 1,300. That's why people will mostly, especially people that don't have families, will mostly rent a two-bedroom, two bathroom, or two-bedroom, one bathroom, and look for someone to share their accommodation with. So I'm not even looking at saying I'm having my own personal space, one bedroom, one bathroom. Hey, who has the money now? Not now. I'm just looking for a shared apartment, which will be cheaper for me. So guys, I'm really hopeful that I get a good apartment, and not just a place where I'll have my own washroom and a bath, where I'll find peace, because I'll find peace here where I am. I want a place where I'll find peace, where I will not have trouble. Thank you so very much guys for watching this video. For those of you that have questions, maybe you want to settle in Edmonton, you want to have an idea about what accommodation looks like, do not fail to reach out to me. Just ask me your questions, and in subsequent videos, not in the next video, maybe if I get an accommodation early enough, I would make a video as regards all this houses I've visited and what my current accommodation, or what my new accommodation would look like. Thank you very much guys, I really do appreciate you. Our subscriber count has been increasing. Thank you. Do not forget to like, please like, to help me with YouTube algorithm. Do not forget to share so others get to benefit. I have good stuff guys, I still have good stuff coming that I've got to share. And do not forget to subscribe. If you're watching this video, you've not subscribed, please, s'il vous plaît, ejo, bikono, subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.